This video is brought to you by Juice. Get ready to use professional and easy to use transitions and presets, glitch animated background, logo reveal, text animation, different smooth transitions, trailer titles and many more. You can get them individually or you can get it in a bundle. It's also available for Premiere Pro and After Effects. Check out the first link in the description. Hello guys, welcome back to my another After Effects tutorial. In this After Effects tutorial, we are going to create this. Let's start with creating a new composition. I will name this composition as lower third. Set time duration to just 5 seconds, remaining everything will be same. Now let's add our first text layer. This will be our main text. Here I am using Objective Font Family, font style to regular. Position the text to center, or you can align it to the center. Perfect. Now we will animate this text layer. For this text layer, from Animate, select Opacity. Set Opacity to 0%. Now in Range select a 1. At start of the timer line, create keyframe for Offset, set Offset to -100%. Now at 1 second and 10 frames, change Offset to 100%. You can see the preview. Now in Advanced, change Shape to Ramp Up. Now let's set Easy High to 35%. Easy Low to 35%. You can see the preview. Now let's add Property, Blur. Set Blur to 25. You can see the preview. Now let's view keyframes, select keyframes, change keyframe assistant to Easy Ease. Perfect, here our main text is ready. Now let's create the subtext layer. You can create another text layer, or just create duplicate of this text layer. Here I will create duplicate of this text layer. Let's adjust its position, place it below the main text layer. Now change the text. Perfect. Now we will reduce the font size for this text layer. Adjust its position as shown. Perfect. Now for this text layer. For Animator 1, let's add Property, Position. Here we will set X position value to 700. You can see the preview. Now select the rectangle tool. Make sure fill option is set to solid color, and in stroke option it is set to none. Now create shape as shown. Perfect. Now for subtext, change track matte to alpha matte shape layer. You can see the preview. Perfect. Make sure you have not selected any layers. Now let's create some lines. Select the pen tool. Set fill option to none. Set stroke option to solid color. Now create line as shown. Adjust the stroke value. Here I will set it to 5. adjust the position. For this shape layer, let's add trim path. For trim path, at 1 second, create keyframe for end. Now at start, change end to 0%. Select keyframes, change keyframe assistant to easy ease. Now let's create duplicate of this shape layer too. Position it as shown. Here we will adjust the position of both the line as shown. Place them at center of the subtext. Here you can see the preview. Let's adjust the mask shape layer 1. Perfect. Here you can see the complete preview. Let's place the subtext layer at 5 frames. Now in Effects and Preset, search for Fill, add it to the shape layer 2 and 3. Set the fill color. Here you can set the fill color of your choice. Perfect. Now select all the layers, pre-compose them. Name it as text animation. Perfect. Now for this composition, let's enable time remapping. Now at 2 seconds, create keyframe for time remap. Now at 3 seconds, change time remap value to 2 seconds. Now at end of the timer line, change time remap value to 0. Perfect. You can see the preview. Here our lower third is created. You can scale this composition and position it wherever you want. Thank you guys for watching this tutorial. See you next week with another tutorial.